Hi, this is Melissa with A Creative Journey with Melissa, and today all I'm doing is giving you stuff. That is all I'm going to do today. So I have these 3 little die sets. I'm going to be giving I'm going to give 3 prizes away so more people can win. So we have this beautiful detailed cross. I just love it, and hopefully you will too. And then we also have this adorable seasonal peppermint stick, and it also has a little berries in the leaves and stuff. It's really cute. And then we also have this awesome one, and this is Aristocrat, but it's also got this little deer and stuff, and I've used it for holidays, I've used it for men's birthday cards, I've used it for a number of different reasons, and it's absolutely versatile too. So hopefully you will enjoy that. So I am hoping that you enjoy this giveaway. That is all I have for you today. I will not be doing videos for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to take a break for the holidays. I want you to look forward to some amazing things coming up, and I hope that you will join us next year because we have some new stamp sets on the horizon, and we also have some amazing things that are going to be happening here. And since this is the first one that I saw right here, I'm going to also give this away too. So I'm just in the giving mood, I guess. So we'll give this away as well. So hopefully you will enjoy those, and make sure you're a subscriber to our YouTube channel and to our blog, and you will be entered to win every time we have a giveaway. You'll be entered to win, and make sure that you're subscribed to both the YouTube channel and also the blog/email list with the same information, or let me know, and then I can make sure that you are put into the drawing. If they do not match, I don't know it's you, so therefore you would not be eligible if I don't know. So anyway, that is all. I hope you have a fantastic holiday, whatever holiday you graciously celebrate, and I hope you're allowed and able to go hang out with awesome friends and family, and allowed to just let yourself free and enjoy this time, because time is very, very valuable. Make sure you take the time to spend with ones you love. It's very important before it's too late. I hope you have a fantastic, fantastic holiday, and see you next year. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.